How to install and use insert icons for slides. I'm going to quickly show you how to install insert icons for slides. So I'm going to type in insert icons for slides, just searching for it on a Google search, easy peasy. That'll bring me here to this link, the Google Workspace Marketplace. I'm going to click on that. And here it is, insert icons for slides. I'm going to click on the install button. It'll say, "Are you ready?" By clicking continue, you acknowledge your information will be used in accordance with our terms of service, etc. I will say, yes, I want to continue. It'll ask me to choose an account. I'm going to choose my school account. That's going to allow me to use this for school purposes. I want to make sure I read through the information. If I'm comfortable with that level of information sharing, I say, yes, allow. There we go. It just tells me I can find it by clicking on add-ons within slides, and I'll click on done. So here I am. I've opened up a Google slide. I was working on some content and language objectives with a teacher. We were working on states of matter, and we've got a content objective written out and a language objective. And one of the things we decided was, we might need a couple of visuals to help describe what is a liquid, what is a solid, and what is a gas. Because if this is what we're sort of front loading before we're doing a lesson, it would be really helpful for our multilingual learners to know what we're actually talking about, have an example of what a liquid, a solid, and a gas looks like. Well, I might not have all the time in the world to go searching for royalty-free images on the internet. However, because I've already installed an add-on, I can use that. So I'm going to go on to add-ons here and also insert icons for slides. Scroll over there where it says open sidebar to select icons, and I'm going to click on that. This is going to launch a little side space here. Now you'll notice the color is auto set to yellow, and I don't love that because it's not as easy for kids to see, and it's not printer friendly really. So the first thing I'll do is I'll take this slider. I can actually choose right here. I can click to get various colors, which is cool, or I can just take the slider right down to black at the bottom. And that black and white icons are really easy for printers. They're really easy for kids to see for the most part. And then I can search through the icons. So let's see if I'm looking for something liquid. I might write liquid. Oh, there you go. I can just click on that and it'll auto insert it into my Google slide. It's huge, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drag it down to resize it to make it just a little smaller. And I'll put that up above liquid. I'm not aiming for perfection here. I'm just aiming for some quick visuals. All right, and I'm going to look up solid. Let's see what it comes up with. There's nothing there that it came up with. So I'm going to have to think of something solid. I'm going to type in the word block because that's an easy thing for a lot of kids to identify. Cube, there we go. I've clicked on it, it inserts it. Again, I click on it once and then drag it down to resize it to make it just a little bit smaller. There we go, put that up on solid. And then I want to look up the word gas. Now, what this is showing me is gas icons for like gasoline and flammable substances. I don't want that kind of gas when I'm talking about the states of matter. So instead, I'm going to type in the word air and just see what that gives me. Oh, there, that little air, that wind image looks pretty cool. That might help me to describe what that is to a child. Perfect. And I'll shrink that down, bring that up. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's going to make this a lot more comprehensible to my multilingual learners in the classroom and others as well who benefit from those icons and visuals.